Hey everyone, this video is about the Python program to check a number is a prime number or not a prime number. So a number is said to be a prime if it is only divided by itself and 1. Other number which are divided by any other number like 4, 2, 5, 6 are called non-prime numbers. So I am going to get the input from the user first. And now I am going to create a for loop and then a looping variable named loop. And the value of the looping variable ranges between the 2 to end. And one of the important thing to be noted here is the value of n is interpreted as n minus 1. For example, if I pass this n as 4, then it is interpreted as 3. Next, I am going to generate a if condition. The condition is if n modularized by the looping variable is equal to 0, which means if a number is divided by the number in between the range, then it is to be a prime number, not a prime number, right? So print is not a prime number. Okay, now I'm going to use a looping control statement break. The reason I'm using break here is if the condition becomes true, then it breaks the for loop and comes out of the loop. And outside the for loop, I'm going to create the else part, and it is going to print is a prime number. Okay, let's run and see. Enter a number. I'm going to enter a prime number like 13. Yeah, it is prime number. Then I'm going to enter a non-prime number like 55. It is not prime number, so the output is correct.